guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Renee.
And I'm Kenny, and today we're going to Annandale Falls in Grand Etang.
Yes, so right now we're currently in Waterfall handling some business, and then we're heading to Grenada to get my mom, my little brother, and my little sister. They will be joining us as well at the falls, so tag along with us for that. We've arrived at Grenville. This is my little sister.
Hello.
Angelina. And my mom and my brother is inside. So we just get ready to head to Annandale, which is like 30 minutes away. Yeah, a good drive. And this is my little brother. So now we are off. Mommy is already in the car, so now we are off to the waterfall. At Annandale. Here is Kenny, Gigi, Sam, and this is my mommy. We are about to head to the restaurant to get something to eat. Mommy and them kind of stop up there to see the monkeys. And the name of the restaurant here is Orchids.
Orchids Restaurant and Bar features a simple fast food menu and a wide variety of cocktails and mocktails to choose from. The restaurant is located right next to the beautiful Annandale, giving visitors an amazing view of the waterfall and its surroundings.
Sam, what are you there?
Gigi
Gigi, and she phone. a wrap, a chicken wrap. Mommy get a fish wrap. And Kenny get wings and lamb nuggets. And Rennie gets nothing. I'm joking, man. I eating from everybody. From everybody. We're about to leave the waterfall, so we're ending off today's vlog.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on any video ideas you may have for us to do in the future.
So see you guys next time.